Hello, today we are going to learn how to find the area of regular polygons, and we will do this using its apothem. Now first we have to think about what is a regular polygon. A regular polygon, just has many sides and it has to be enclosed, and a regular implies that it's both equilateral and equiangular. So equilateral triangle is a three-sided regular polygon. Then a square could be a four-sided polygon because all the angles are equal, all the sides are equal. And then a five-sided, we would have a pentagon where all the sides are equal, all the angles are equal, and so on. Now the apothem is the distance from the center to any side along the perpendicular. So if I start at the center of my circle and I go to any of the side, the shortest distance to the side, that is called the apothem. And this is a regular octagon, where if I want to find the apothem of a pentagon, I could pick this one. So we start at the center and go perpendicular to any of the sides. Next, we need to figure out how to find the area of a regular polygon. So let's try to figure out how to find the formula for the area. We know let's call this S for a side length. This dotted line we'll call the apothem. Now if I wanted to find the area of one of those little triangles outlined in orange here, I would take the area, I'll put a little t down there for a triangle, as 1/2 a side length times the apothem. Now what we'd have to do is count up how many of these triangles there would be in a pentagon or a polygon. So in this polygon, where there's 6 sides, there will be exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles. So if it has n sides, there should be n triangles. So the area of my polygon will be 1/2 the side length times the apothem times the number of sides. So that's our formula. So the area of a regular polygon is given by the formula area equals 1/2 SAN. Now, since the side length times the number of sides is equal to the perimeter, we could also write the formula as area equals 1/2 the perimeter times the apothem. All right, now let's do some problems. This first problem, let's find the area of this regular hexagon. Remember, area, I think the easiest formula to remember is just the perimeter times apothem. Well, one side is 5, and there are 6 sides, so the perimeter is going to be 30. The apothem is 4.33, so now we just have to do the math out. 1/2 times 30 times 4.33 is, I have to get out my trusty calculator. And the answer is 64.95. So this area is 64.95 centimeters squared. Now let's find the area of this regular pentagon. So there's 5 sides. So we can do 1/2 perimeter times apothem. The perimeter is 12 times 5, which would be 60. And the apothem is 10.39. So I just type this in my calculator. And I get 311.7. So my area is 311.7 centimeters squared. All right, let's go into something a little bit more complicated. Let's find the apothem of a regular octagon if the area is 76 centimeters squared and each side length is 4. So the apothem we know we're looking for, we know the area is 76. The perimeter, we know each side length is 4 and it has 8 sides. So 4 times 8 is 32. And now we just have to multiply that by the apothem. Well, half of 32 is 16. So I just have to divide 76 by 16 and I'll have that apothem. So 76 divided by 16 gives us 4.75. So in this situation, our apothem is 4.75 centimeters. Now notice that the units are a one-dimensional unit. Find the area of the shaded space below if the regular pentagon has an apothem of 3 and a side length of 6. So this is 3 and the side length is 6. So we could just find the area of this one section. 1/2 6 times 3. And that would be 3 times 3, which is 9. So if this is going to be 9, that area is going to be 9. So the area of the shaded is going to be 9 plus 9, which is 18 centimeters cubed or squared. Below, it's a little bit more complicated. The pentagon and quadrilaterals below are regular. So this is a regular pentagon. However, these triangles are not going to be equilateral triangles. Let's check this out. If I want to find the area of the pentagon in the middle, let's say area of the pentagon, I'll have 1/2 5 times 5, which is 25, times 3.44. So 25 divided by 2 times 3.44, and that has an area of 43. So in the middle, it has an area of 43. So if this is 5, this is 5. So this area is 5 times 5, which is 25. If that's 5, and it's regular, that's 5. So this would have an area of 25, and 25, and 25, and 25. Now we just have to find the area of each of the triangles. Now the area of a triangle is going to be base times height divided by 2. So that's 24